Hello, my name is Hosam Fattah. I am with Lattice Semiconductor. So today I'm going to demo Avant X70 running one of our IB JESD204B. So Avant X70 is a newcomer to the Lattice FPGA family. It's a mid-range FPGA with more than 600K system logic cell. It has PCIe Gen 4 up to 8 lanes, DDR5, Ethernet interface up to 25 gigabit per second, and a lot of DSP slices. It also comes with extremely low power consumption. So compared to its competitor FPGA, it provides 2.5 lower power consumption than its FPGA in the same category. In addition, it's combined with high security function, so it can encrypt the bit stream, it has authentication, and a lot of user-specific security function can be implemented on the Avant X70. What we are going to demo today is also the JESD204B, 4 lanes, each lane support up to 9.8 gigabit per second. This will give us an aggregate of almost 40 gigabit per second using the JESD. JESD204B is a protocol that used to transmit or transport serial sample from ADC and DAC to the RF front end. So we use the JESD today in our Lattice ORAN solution stack, and we use the JESD204B 4 lane up to 9.8 gigabit per second on each lane to transport 5G of the M modulator sample running on the Avant X to an RF front end. The demo is here, and here you can see, for example, this is Avant X70 evaluation kit. It has the mid-range FPGA Avant running on it, and on the FPGA, the JESD204B 4-lane fully running and embedded on the Avant X70 FPGA. In addition to that, there is an off-the-M modulator that used in modern telecommunication, like for example 5G, ORAN, Wi-Fi, and that off-the-M modulator is also fully embedded and running on the Avant FPGA. So the evaluation kit or the Avant is also interfaced through the FMC Plus connector to an analog device, RF front end. The analog device board used is ADRV9029. So this is the analog device is an RF front end used in ORAN 5G. It has up to 4 transmit antenna, 4 receive antenna, and of course it can be used in MIMO operation and single user transmission and reception for ORAN and 5G application. So the 5G of the M modulator is transmitting its sampled after the I50 module, inverse fast Fourier transform. These samples are transported over the JESD204B 4 lane to the RF front end and getting transmitted over the 4 transmit antenna on the analog device RF front end. So as you can see, we are showing here 2 of these transmit antenna. And on here we have a small spectrum analyzer that display the off-the-M signal. And on another channel and the same, the second antenna, also we display the same signal. So what happened here is that the JESD has 4 lanes. Each lane is transmitting data at 9.8 gigabit per second to the analog device RF, and each lane would go through all the TX chain on the analog device, and eventually the waveform will be transmitted from the TX port on the analog device. So as you can see, as we saw here, 2 of the TX antenna display the identical of the M signal coming from the Avant FPGA and from the Avant evaluation board. So the Avant X70, also more technical specification about it is available on Lattice website. The JESD204B IB is also available on our website. If you have any more questions, please reach out to Lattice sales team for any support. Thank you.